Are you struggling to display images from a URL in your iOS app because of an authorization header? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to use Kingfisher or SwiftUI to handle those tricky URLs. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you have everything set up, but a simple authorization requirement stands in your way. This is a common issue for many developers, and we're here to solve it together. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I use Kingfisher or SwiftUI to show images from a URL that requires an authorization header? If this sounds like your situation, stick around as we explore the solution. So, why do you need an authorization header? Many APIs require this for security reasons, ensuring that only authorized users can access certain resources. Understanding this will help you implement the right solution. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I have a bonus tip that will make your image loading even more efficient. To begin, the user needs to create a custom image loader that includes the authorization header. This is essential for accessing the images from the secured endpoint. Next, the user should implement the method to configure the request. This method will add the authorization header to the request before it fetches the image. Now, the user can use this custom loader with Kingfisher. They should specify the loader when setting the image for the image view. Finally, the user should test the implementation to ensure that the images are loading correctly with the authorization header included. Fun fact, did you know that the first image ever uploaded to the internet was a photo of a band called Les Horribles Cernettes? Talk about a blast from the past. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user involves using a request modifier in Kingfisher. They suggest creating a function that adds an authorization header to your requests. This is done by defining a modifier that appends your token to the request before it is sent. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative approach provided by a user involves creating a request modifier using Kingfisher. This modifier allows you to set the authorization header for your image requests. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Always cache your images to improve performance and reduce loading times. This small step can make a big difference in user experience. And there you have it. You should now be able to display images from URLs that require an authorization header using Kingfisher or SwiftUI. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.